Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play NASCAR in Forza Motorsport. First, navigate to the car selection menu and pick a stock car, typically found under American manufacturers. Next, select an oval track, which is crucial for an authentic NASCAR experience. Before hitting the track, spend a few moments in the tuning menu to optimize your car's setup for high-speed stability. Remember, smooth inputs are key to mastering these powerful machines on the track. Once on the track, focus on maintaining a consistent racing line, typically hugging the inside of the turns. Utilize the draft by following closely behind other cars on the straightaways. This can give you a significant speed boost. Be mindful of your tire wear. Aggressive steering will degrade them quickly, impacting your performance. Finally, practice your pit stops to ensure quick and efficient service, saving valuable seconds in longer races. For advanced players, diving into the tuning menu offers significant advantages. Experiment with suspension settings to find the perfect balance for cornering stability and speed. Adjusting gear ratios can optimize your acceleration out of turns and your top speed on the straights. Don't forget to fine-tune your brake bias for consistent and stable braking into the corners. A well-thought-out race strategy, including fuel and tire management, is crucial for victory. On race day, maintaining composure is paramount. Listen to your spotter for vital information about traffic and track conditions. Execute overtakes cleanly, avoiding contact to prevent penalties or damage. Remember to manage your fuel and tires strategically. Knowing when to pit and how hard to push can be the difference between winning and losing. With practice and these tips, you'll be crossing the finish line in first place.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.